What a guan, what a guan. Hey besties. I know I haven't gone live for a while. I'm gonna just jump right into it. I know y'all miss me. I haven't gone live, but I have few little minutes. So more just make the most of my little free time. Just coming back from England, the performance at the Mobile Awards, super amazing. So big up to the world boss. I don't know the tingle, but I just want to jump right into it. Before me even jump right into why I am live tonight, remember to go on my website at spiceofficial.com and book your weekend trip to come and spend the weekend with me in Jamaica for bestie weekend. All right, www.spiceofficial.com. Okay? Yeah, bestie weekend. You arrive August 1st and you depart August 4th. And that is me taking care of you for 3 days, taking you around Jamaica. And you know already, say it's going to be nice, it's going to be a vibe, it's going to be a blast because of Spice, so it's often nice. You know, I'm a burst of energy. So go and check out my website, spiceofficial.com for bestie weekend, and all the information is there. But yeah, let me jump right into it. Come about quite a few people and me not have a whole heap of time. So I'm going to make this as quick as possible. The first thing we want to talk about, come and reach a Saucy Santana yet, you know, because you me come about. Saucy Santana and you me come about, but me not really reach a you yet. I want to start with love and hip hop. Love and hip hop, me have a message for you. And I want to make sure it reach you know. So I want to make sure to go at the right ears, feed the head of love and hip hop. I, Grace Hamilton, would like you to hire a Jamaican translator who can be or sit beside whoever is editing the videos so that you guys stop cutting out my native language, okay? Because you know girl intelligent and girl can speak proper English, but when me up on the show, and I get ignorant, and I talk, don't use the English, the proper English. Use my Jamaican dialect, please. Because when we get into it with Saucy, all the things cut out and edit out, maybe because we don't really understand what I say. So I'm going to use my own platform to drop my 2 cents so him can hear what I say, because it look like him never did that hear too properly. So when I was, all of the people them who don't know, I'm going to try to be as quick as possible. When I was in England, I saw a lot of videos from the Sweat Guzzler, Saucy Santana. First thing, when I put on my black hair, he's like, oh, I'm the reason she's wearing black hair. Baby, welcome to the club. If you don't know the show, Google me. I've always been wearing black hair. My fans and my besties know that. When I have on my black hair, it's Grace Hamilton. And when I wear blue hair, it's Spice. I've been doing this for years. You're not the reason for the season because you want everything to be about you. But sorry to disappoint you. But long story short, you've been on TikTok, a rampage. And every second I get you to talk about me. Yeah, Saucy Santana, I come about. Can you guys hear me? Because you know me I feel rush because I have a whole heap of things to do. Can you guys hear me? You can hear me? Yeah. No dirty man can this auntie. No, okay. You not hear me. So every minute, Mr. Saucy Santana, I come about me. So me come about you, because I have 2 little minutes for spare. Because when we did there in England, I was too busy. But I find 2 minutes now when I can give you. Let me make sure I listen good what you say. Because the people them send me the things them, you know. So we could talk right here, so. We could talk right here, so. Me I go through everything one by one. We could go through everything one by one. We could actually watch the video together. We could watch it together.
No, clown. And she was like, you a one-hit wonder. She said,
She called you a one-hit wonder?
Hey, here it is. Us sitting at this table know a Spice song.
Spice is part of the Frost cult. And I mean, Spice is Grammy nominated. I'm going to give that to her. But bitch, you are not Beyonce. You're also not Jasmine Blue because who wore it better, baby? I'll wait.
Jasmine, my name like come about you. Me never gonna come about you because you need to care about them two titty them. Me want to know if your sister them nearly them out for bust by you. Me never gonna come about you because all of a sudden everybody want to wear blue hair. Everybody want to be Spice. First in the top about my blue wig. No, all of a sudden all of y'all want to be that girl who don't want to be me so bad. The jealousy is just eating y'all up. I can't deny the fact. But Jasmine, me not really ready for you yet. Me want to stay up on Saucy Santana. You see you Saucy Santana will sit down right there so. Me never know the amount of things me want to talk about you. You sit down in the big pink, you come like one big buckle of Pepto-Bismol. From me see you, me see diarrhea. From me see you, me see running a belly. You stink like shit, you come like pit toilet. You not smell yourself when you walk around with the fan and the fan a blow up on everybody. No one in the blood clot camp now gonna tell you, oh, you stink. Latrine. You come like pit toilet. Stop calling me blood clot name in your mouth. Saucy Santana, you stink, you want beard. Nobody on the show no want to tell you, oh, you stink. You have on the clothes them and the clothes them too tight. Squeeze up. You come like one big fucking stuffed turkey. Stop calling me name in your blood clot mouth. Because when me dey on the show, me attack Jamaican and them a delete out. When them a delete out, because them not understand. Make sure say somebody where Jamaican interpret this blood clot for you. You come like pit toilet. The one with the shit them still in it. You stink. Me don't want you feel like say, come in by now, you don't paint me on the show like me a bully, but you don't go bully the bully. Nobody true me busy and you don't see me answer you, cause quite a few times me dey on TikTok and every minute you have something to say about me. Don't call me name in your stinking mouth. In your rotten teeth. Because you want to be me so bad. Me never see a gay man stay so bad yet. The amount of gay friends when me have. The amount of gay friends and fans when me have. And they're always giving tea. Me never see nothing about you yet, Saucy. You need to change your blood clot name. Nothing about you. You're not Lil Nas X. You're not Carisha. You're not even giving Alonzo. Me never see nothing look good yet. You come talk about, oh, do you know a Spice song? I'm in the club and I only hear Saucy because you're in the gay club. Come out of the, come in the world. Come outside of Atlanta. And nobody don't know you. Me tell you already, you're a one-hit wonder. You're a TikToker. You struggle to find it. That's why the label drop you. Why you think the label drop you? Why you think you get dropped from the label? Bambi you. Let me go, I don't want to feel like I'm me. I come for them, you know. Me I answer them. I don't know blood clot come run over me. Bambi, you, are your time now. I only me come out tonight. Me have time. Bambi, are you me come out? Hold on. The show?
Of course, Blue Wing came with the clown. She screaming and hollering. Caan done jumped in because, you know, they yin and yang. I just don't understand. Once again, everywhere we go, Spice, it's you. Like, this moment is about Jessica, and I know Spice don't really know a lot about being glamorous, but I just don't know why she's screaming and hollering. She needs to slow down off that Jamaican juice.
What did I?
And hollering, she needs to slow down off that Jamaican juice.
What did I?
Look pan that blood clot stuffed turkey. Yeah. Eh? Look pan this blood clot roast turkey. Look pan that roast turkey. Yeah, we are opening him stinking mouth and I come talk about somebody. Look pan roast turkey. Eh? Look pan that roast turkey. Yeah. Look pan roast turkey. Eh? Look pan roast turkey. And then Bambi, you know. Hold on, I want to put the whole on it together because the live is not go too long. Because I don't have time. They might call me into a meeting. But hold on. I want to go for Bambi and hold on and put it together.
And shake her hand.
Hold on.
Say, hi. I just want to stay far from her. Y'all some ghetto ass bitch. So why would I sit at the table and shake her hands and say hi? I just want to stay far from her. Y'all some ghetto ass bitches. You better let it go, you ass kissing bitch. What's going on? Where's the problem? You're talking to my friend.
As soon as Spice started yapping, Caan is gonna be her little, you know what I'm saying, sidekick. Spice just inserts herself in everything. The clown crew is here.
Weird ass bitch. I know you ain't just call me weird, baby. You
You are weird.
Bambi, your teeth them big like donkey. Your teeth them big like donkey. And your gum heavy like a 2 bag of cement. You come like you walk around with 32 steel in your mouth. The way your mouth heavy. You know see your mouth heavy. If you stop, don't call me name in your blood clot mouth. Your teeth them big. Beaver. You come talk about Spice always inserts herself into everything. Bitch, I know you blood clot. You that ask what's going on and it not have nothing to do with you. Dirty Bambi, you never say you insert yourself in it. Let me play it a blood clot again. Come like you now watch your show. You know go watch a couple clips where them play to make it look like say I'm me an idiot. Let me play this again. Come on, what this did have to do with blood clot Bambi. Hold on. Let me play it again.
You better let it go, you ass kissing bitch. What's going on?
Here she, what?
You better let it go, you ass kissing bitch. What's going on? Bitches, you better let it go, you ass kissing bitch. What's going on?
What's going on? Bambi, no, you blood clot that insert yourself in a way not have nothing at all to do with you. Me in a this situation, first of all, for those of you who don't know, I was sitting at a table. Jessica came over and tried to introduce Jasmine to me and her niece, who claim her niece is having sex, not sex. Jessica claimed that her niece is, I'm never leave that part there. Mix up some mix up with Yandy and Yandy husband that is not even relevant. So I'm not even gonna talk about my friend because I just never want to meet them. So if me in the room and Jessica go around and I talk about Mendisi this and Mendisi that and Yandy this and Yandy that, and me already know Jasmine, why you gonna bring them over my table come introduce to me? Me don't want blood clot meet them. And that me say, all of y'all, even when me dey on TV and I talk about, Spice is a bully and Spice is Spice is real. I want to just not accustomed to real. So I don't want me to sit down at the table and, hi Jasmine, me no blood clot, me no be no grosser. Me no grosser. So me get up from the table, cause me say me no want to talk to them gal ya. Me no know them from where me and them no go school, me and them no cross pedestrian, me and them never drink a cup of tea. I want to talk about my friend them, and my friend them husband, and me coming and want to sit down at the table, uno vex, and then me messy, and I'm here the problem. So I got up from the table. When I got up from the table, my friend Shekinah walked over to me, and what's going on, whatever. Jasmine walk all the way from over which part should I come ask, what's happening? And them I insert them blood clot self in my situation. So I don't understand why them not edit the show for soon do the 2 blood clot yeah. Why them always make it look the opposite way. I insert yourself in me no want chat to no. Because that's some mistake when me not like you, me not like you, and that me say. Me not play hypocrite like you. Me Bambi, remember you not like me no, but you're afraid to say it. Because you suck your friend pussy. And your friend a fuck you with a dildo. But you're afraid to say you don't like me. So when you dip on the show, because you want the look 2 love and hip hop check, you act like say, oh hi. Remember you don't like me? Remember good no man? You don't like me from morning and now at night. Because you dip on live the other day with your friend was say, me a blue monkey, and I try justify the fact, say, she was just saying that because she wears blue hair. So you need to justify in the same sentence why she did say that, but the rest of people them, what she called blue monkey, what she called black monkey. Because remember, she wasn't the first offender. But because check on everything, we will always sell out on a blood clot soul. So remember good no man? Remember good say your friend did talk, said Johnny Blaze a monkey, and Johnny Blaze never said nothing about her son. Since you want to justify the reason why your friend say I'm a blue monkey, when you justify my situation, justify Johnny Blaze in the same sentence, and justify the promoter what she called monkey in the same sentence, that never said anything about her son. So fuck you and your big teeth. Your teeth them big like donkey and your fucking gum heavy like cement. And that me say. Una no need for like me. So Becky, we just put it out straight. It's una afraid for talk. Oh, una really feel. But me telling you, say, me no blood clot here. Because you notice what me know? Una act like say, me come and love and hip hop to get likes out. Me no need to get likes. Me come, una act like say, una paint this picture to the audience. Spice is a bully and Spice is this and Spice is like, I don't give a flying fuck. Me no need nobody for like me. Me no need una for paint a good picture for me for the audience. I am the audience. You don't realize? Me come there with my audience. I came to love and hip hop as Spice. I came with my fans. So I wanna plot up and a scheme up and a try to make it look like say I am this bad person. I don't give a fuck. Me still gonna be me, with or without wanna think when I try to create. Well, me telling you something. I might be busy because I just come from England and I'm on my way back to England because you know me I got the Red Bull culture clash. So get ready for that because you know I want next trouble that. So yeah, this is my culture. Welcome to the club. Because first of all, the whole on the streams low on a blood clot at Bambi we have 11 listener and people are fight with her for get her music and get her career when I run up and down and I come talk about oh it's Spice's fault, oh it's this one, oh I'm arguing, oh this and then our blood clot hypocrite Jack, you, Jasil, whatever you want name. You play hypocrite when the cameras come on and come talk about oh I don't want to be a part of this like you never do a clash song. Jack, remember good no man, remember you do a diss record before? Remember Kendrick Lamar's song just win 5 Grammy and him just perform a Super Bowl? Una act like me I introduce something to you we wanna never see it before. Hypocritical blood clot set I wanna be. Una leave me alone, don't call me name because una like me for morning and one night and that me say. So stop calling me name, no play no hypocrite with me. I when I come back on the show, I not speak no proper English if you don't want to understand me that I found a blood clot problem. Go suck no mama and go. And stop calling me name. And move and go. You think say me want uno like me or me have me whatever. Uno move uno dirty blood clot and go from there. Stink like shit. Yeah. You alright? Every day Saucy you dey on my name. Saucy, first of all, don't remember say me not forget you know. Remember say you're not really like for put this now. You're so confused within your body. You not even love yourself. You're not like black, beautiful. You're not like that something there. Remember you did call Beyonce that a nappy. Hold on, let me make sure. Because I say it, I make sure I dig up a tweet them, you know. Remember I dig up everything. I always have my receipts. Remember you did say Blue Ivy head nappy. Remember? Let me show the people them, oh, you stay. So, oh, you gonna say something good about me. We black on my head nappy. Oh, you gonna say something good about me. Oh, you gonna like me. If you see a little baby, like Blue Ivy. Eh? Pretty blood clot Blue Ivy. And you gonna say, oh, I'm sorry, Northwest Clears Blue Ivy have several car seats. See it you say it. Come now, man. Come now. Now you this. Now you this. Material girl. Come now. See ya man, now you this a tweet. Are you this you know? So oh you gonna like me. Oh you are gonna say this about me. Oh you gonna say nothing good about me. See ya your tweet them and I make them up. Me get them off a shade room. See them ya man, talk no man. Talk no man. Talk. Talk. See your monthly listener, yeah. 600. See you there. Me in a class by myself, Saucy. You could never You could never sit at my table. You're for glad for love and hip hop that you had a chance to have a conversation with me. You can't talk to me no time, nowhere, on stage, off stage, hit song, you name it, the list long. You could never. So if you tweet them something about Blue Ivy, pretty Blue Ivy, you think me expect you to say something better about me? You really think, say, when me see you, all me see is chaos. You don't see yourself, you're not a mirror at your yard. Me drop my album name Mirror 25. Go buy a mirror and looking at it. Just stand up and looking at the mirror one day. Do it for me. Just stand up with yourself and look. If I know you look like a blood-clad clown. Beard and makeup. And you look like the clown. See, I come talk about, oh, when you're a little clown shit, like you think me never sit down in front of you and make a disrespect anything when me affiliated with, anything when me put my name on. Eh? If you talk about a little baby like that, a black, beautiful baby, eh? You think me forget? Oh, you thought I moved on from it. You thought I didn't remember. Remember. So from me see you, all me see a chaos. Because you're not even happy within yourself. You don't see you live in a confusion. You are living in one confusion spirit. Go suck your mother, don't call me blood clot name. You don't like me, I don't like you neither from morning. You're not Carisha. You're not Lil Nas X. You're not Alonzo. You need to bathe and get deodorant and put under your arm. You know, so you sweat. You come like natural spring water. Fuck out of here when I come call me name. No, now on the show, no call me blood clot name. If you don't like me, I don't like you neither. You not act like so. You not the fuck? And go from there. Bun me a tour and can't get the answer on me there England and me can't get the answer on and put on a place. So you think you could have sit down in front of me for a split second if I never love hip hop. You forgot shit the producer them and if them not tell me sometimes to talk to no or what me no look pound no. Me no look. You never see me outside that show. You know me man. You come like me I forgot show on the real me. You feel like say when I paint this person on TV like, oh, Spice is there. My fans them blood clot know me. From morning. And from 1999 me I do this and I never come here come act like me cute. And when them say, oh, you feel be the bigger person, me tell them me little. Me very small. Me no big, me no celebrity, me no give a flying fuck. So when up there on this show, I run up and I'm gonna act like we're gonna group up together and create this narrative. I don't give a blood clot. Welcome to the club. Google me. Google me. Put in my name and ask Google. Call Siri. Wanna think?